Hello everyone, it's Coach Edsel here, and we are here at the FKM Motorcycles plant at San Simon, Pampanga. Come on, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung anong mga meron dito at makikita dito sa FKM warehouse and plant. So, daanan natin yung mga units. So, this is the Fyro 175 in white, black, and then you have the Venture Standard 150 in white and red. And then over here, we have the Slick 150 in white. And this will go to our showroom later. We have some more Ventures. Then we have some Victorinos. Naka-plastic po siya para hindi maalikabukan. Then we have again the Fyro. And here are newly assembled Labi 150s. Okay, we have all the colors available. We have white, red, black, gray. Yan. And yung mga Falcon 400, we have just very few more. And this is the MTX. And yeah, gusto ko din ipakita sa inyo yung pinaka-assembly or manufacturing. Okay? Ito yung assembly line. Dito na ginagawa yung mga FKM units natin. Okay? So, per station yan, per department, from, so it's a complete knockdown unit assembled here in the Philippines. Okay? So, it should give us peace of mind dahil yung parts kabisado na ng Pinoy. And alam natin kung paano diskartehan, pati yung mga spare parts, meron tayo. Okay? Dahil kita naman natin, isang warehouse pa lang to. Dalawa po yung warehouse natin. May isa pa sa kabila, andun naman yung mga parts. So this is the Falcon X400. Currently the most affordable expressway legal motorcycle in the Philippines. And yeah, that's 400cc. We're doing a technical training right now, so you see some bikes opened up because pinag-aaralan po namin yung mga components ng mga motorcycle. Oh, guess what this unit is? Yeah, that's the Venture 150 Ultimate. Okay, so kakatapos lang nito, binuksan na po namin siya para pag-aralan yung mga components. It just took them around mga 5 minutes or 10 minutes maximum para matanggal yung mga fairings. And ngayon, kitang-kita na natin yung pinaka-components niya. Alright. Dun sa mga nagtatanong, may spare parts po ba si FKM? Itong Fecon, may mga spare parts? O, ito po. Yan. Marami po tayong parts. Okay. Kita nyo yung dami ng boxes na yan. Alright. So, lahat yan pumupunta sa mga dealers natin. And syempre, compatible din naman sa OEM spec yung mga FKM motorcycles. Okay, magaganda guys. Take a look. This is again the Labi 150. This is a Victorino. Yan. Ito yung mga Labi. Then we have a 3GP and another Victorino. This is the Venture Ultimate. Venture Standard, Slick 150. Yan. And syempre may mga ilo-launch tayo na mga bikes sa Makina Moto Show. Surprise yon. Hindi ko pa pwede ipakita ngayon. Pero andito rin siya. Okay, so attend kayo ng Makina Moto Show para makita nyo yung mga bagong release ni FKM. Pero bigyan ko kayo ng hint. Meron tayong maxi scooter. Okay? Meron tayong cruiser na 500cc. Okay, yung maxi scooter, 400cc yon. Yung cruisers, 500. And then meron tayong 180cc na adventure scooter. Yan. So something to look forward to. So with that guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour. This is Coach Edsel. Ride safe and I'll see you soon.